When someone has bad valves in their saphenous vein typically, and the bad valves are letting the blood flow down in their veins instead of up, which a normal vein would have, then the branches off of the saphenous vein will get big and protrude, and that's what causes varicose veins. When people have varicose veins, they may have achiness, cramping, restless legs, just a dull, heavy achiness in their legs when they stand all day. The pain will typically be worse in the evening, better in the mornings, better if they elevate, or better if they wear compression hose. People seek treatment for their varicose veins because they're having those types of symptoms or they're beginning to have complications. Probably the most common thing we see, varicose veins will clot sometimes around travel. If you go on a long plane ride or a long car ride, or you get sick in bed with the flu or back surgery or something unrelated, then they'll have phlebitis. The other thing we see pretty commonly with vein disease in elderly people especially is that they'll raise purple veins that come up around their ankles or on the shins will bleed. Usually it's in the shower. It can be just any time. It can be a minor trauma. A lady the other day, the cat scratched her and caused her veins to start bleeding. So bleeding, clotting, symptoms, or the fourth thing that brings people in is when they start getting the brown skin around their ankles. It's usually right on the inside of the ankle, and it gets real brown and hard and leathery. And then with time, after that's been there a while, there'll be a sore will develop inside the area of brown. It's called a venous ulcer. And so people seek treatment for any one of those things. Some people earlier stage disease, some people it's more late stage disease, and some people they wait till they have ulcers or bleeding or clotting. The treatment for that, if you have the so like an inverted tree, the trunk leads to the branches, and so to treat the trunk of the tree, you can close it down with a laser or radiofrequency fiber, or the newest thing is venous seal, where you can actually super glue the trunk of the tree closed. The venous seal kits come as a little catheter, and you load up the super glue component into the little gun, and you squirt out a few drops and just manually compress the vein while it seals it up. If you have those kind of symptoms or you have one of those complications, we'd love to see you at Ozark Regional Vein Center.